Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the watch and tools: a spring bar tool, a tiny flat screwdriver, and a new strap. Place the watch face down on a soft pad so you won't scratch it. Use the spring bar tool to press the shoulder of the spring bar inward toward the strap to release it. You'll feel a small click when it clears the lug. Once one side is free, gently pivot the strap away and slide the bar out. Make sure to keep the spring bar for reuse if compatible. You now remove the second strap half the same way, compressing the spring bar and easing it free from the lug. Once both bars are out, inspect them closely for rust, bent tips, or missing shoulders. These defects cause release failures. Replace any damaged bars. Next, measure the lug width in millimeters so the new strap and bars match. Mismatched widths create stress. Once you've verified size and condition, orient the new strap correctly. You install the new strap by inserting a spring bar into the strap's end and seating one tip into the lug notch. Then compress the opposite tip and guide it into the opposite notch until it clicks. Once seated, make sure the strap sits flush and the bar shoulders are visible in both lugs. Give the strap a firm pull and rotate it gently to confirm security. If the bar won't seat, use a fine needle to clear the notch or swap to a new bar. This usually fixes alignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.